Hey guys, so I wanted to come to you this week, what to do by Monday the 27th. And I changed the verbiage on your assignment page as far as what you're to focus on. So you're focusing on 3 to 4 lessons, depending on where you're at. We go through 3.11. So, and we've got about 5 weeks of school left, so just keep that in the back of your mind that you'll want to get through 311. But instead of putting like 301 quiz, 301 geometrics, I just put lesson 301, and you know that you're supposed to do that, the objectives of that lesson, which is 2 grades, geometrics, and the quiz. Now, some of you have been able to get geometrics to work, and I've uploaded those grades. Some of you, I haven't heard from you whether or not you tried from geometrics, or if you haven't, I don't know. I know, like, Cadence has gotten it to work, but then when she tries to load a test, it just spins. I've had Mr. Epperson look at my geometrics, because he has a lot more kids who are able to do the geometrics than I do. So we're trying to figure out if it's my code or if it's your computers or what. But now my daughter's 6th grade crappy borrowed Chromebook, I was able to download Microsoft Office. I was also able to do the geometrics on that Chromebook, and it's not a very good computer. So I don't know if it's my codes, but Mr. Epperson is helping me with that. So I just wanted you to know, instead of having all of that listed, I just put lesson 301, and you know to do the geometrics and the test. If you can't do the geometrics, one thing I have noticed is if it's a certain time of day, it doesn't want to load as fastly as it does at other times. So if there's a lot of people on it at one time, it doesn't load as fastly. So those of you that have been able to do the geometrics, I've uploaded your grades. A lot of you, great job working ahead. Madeline has finished all the quizzes. She's going to try the geometrics now. So where do we go from here? Let's talk about that. Certiport is still working on. We met Friday. You taking your certification test at home. I don't know all the little details about that, but I'm hoping that is something that's going to work so that you can get your certifications in. And those of you that have passed Microsoft Word, PowerPoint is so much the same thing as far as working with graphics or bullets and setting up. The only thing new you have to know is how to do animations, timings, and automated slideshows. We will have another Google Meet on Tuesday. If I'm going to put a poll on the distance learning page and see if there's a better time for us to do those meets. I've had a couple other teachers tell me they're doing them in the evenings. I'm open for that, if that is better for you guys, so that, we're not just doing these to have them. We're doing it so that you can ask me questions, so that we can see each other's faces. We can talk about not only Microsoft, but we can talk about what's going on in your lives, how you're doing, and just touch base with each other, because this distance learning is hard for you guys. It's hard for me. And when I don't get to see you guys, it's even harder. So I know you may not need to ask me any questions, but just to touch base and make sure everybody's doing okay is the reason for my Google Meets. So I got it set up for Tuesday at 12:45, but I'm gonna put a poll up and see if there's a better time that you guys would rather me do it than during the day. I just don't want to get in the way of other classes. So I'm gonna put that poll out there. I'm hoping that you guys are healthy and thriving. And some of you have really worked this week and got a lot done. I'm very, very proud of you. So if you come in the Google Meet on Tuesday, I hope to see you. I hope to know this week how we're going to do this at-home testing. As soon as I know something, I'll let you know something. And if you have any questions, send me a remind text or an email. If you have any issues, let me know, and I'll be glad to try and help you. And if not, I will talk to you soon. I hope to see you Tuesday